Hello friends, I am Konu Naik. Once again welcomes to my YouTube channel KN Classes. So friends, do subscribe for getting more notification and more updates. So in this video, we'll discuss about the types of mixed method research design. So let's start. In the last class, in the last lecture, I discussed the meaning of mixed method research design, characteristics, and just meaning of three types of mixed method design. In this video, we'll discuss in detail about the types of mixed method design. So if you have not seen it the last video, please go through that. I have given the link in the description. Please check. Then types of mixed method research design. So here there are three types of mixed method design. First one is triangulation, second one is explanatory, and third one is exploratory mixed method research design. So first, triangulation mixed method research design. So friends, what is triangulation mixed method research design? It is a quantitative and qualitative data when quantitative and qualitative data are equally weighted and are collected concurrently. In triangulation mixed method research design, quantitative and qualitative data are collected concurrently. Concurrently means simultaneously, or you may say at the same time both quantitative and qualitative data will collected throughout the same study. Okay. Then the data are not collected in separate studies. The data will be collected in that same study, not in separate studies or distinct phases. What are the main advantages of this method? The main advantage of this method is the strength of the qualitative data offset or overcome the weaknesses of the quantitative data. Another strength is the quantitative data. The quantitative data strength is generalizability, and which overcomes the weaknesses of qualitative data, because qualitative data is less generalizable, and its weaknesses is it is depend upon the context only. Okay. If you mixed both type of data, then the quantitative data will overcome the weaknesses of qualitative data. Next, the mixed method researcher often gives equal priority to both types of data. Okay, clear? And the mixed method researcher compares the result from quantitative and qualitative analysis to determine if the two bases yield similar or dissimilar result. In these types of mixed method research design, the researcher compare the result which is coming from the quantitative and qualitative analysis to determine that if the data are similar or dissimilar results. Okay. Then see this diagram that in this triangulation method, both quantitative and qualitative data are collected simultaneously or at the same time, and after collecting and after analyzing the both type of data will be compared, and the researcher will be interpret the data. So friends, now comes to the second one, that is explanatory sequential mixed method design. This method is also called as two-phase model, and it consists of first collecting quantitative data and then qualitative data collection. So it give emphasis to collect the quantitative data at first, and after collecting and analyzing the quantitative data, the researcher will collect qualitative data to help explain or elaborate the quantitative results. The main purpose of to collect qualitative data is to explain or elaborate the quantitative results. इसका rationale क्या है, क्यों qualitative data collection करते हैं? The rationale for this approach is that quantitative data and results provide general picture of the research problem. More analysis, specifically through qualitative data collection, it is needed to refine, extend or explain the general picture. Here the major focus on quantitative data, and the qualitative data will collect to refine the quantitative data result to extend what we get from the quantitative data. And then the mixed method researcher places a priority on quantitative data. Here the main priority is quantitative data. Okay, main priority is quantitative data collection. The mixed method research collects quantitative data at first. As you know, here is the main feature of explanatory mixed method design is it collect the quantitative data at first, and this followed by the secondary qualitative data collection. The mixed method researcher uses the qualitative data. Why you collect the qualitative data? Because to refine the result from the quantitative data. Okay, this is explanatory mixed method research design. See this diagram. This diagram is taken from the John W. Criswell book. Here the diagram shows that first the researcher will collect quantitative data, and that will be followed with qualitative data collection and analysis. After all, the interpretation will made. Comes to third one, that is exploratory sequential design. So friends, it is we may say it is an opposite form of explanatory research design. Here rather than first analyzing, collecting quantitative data as done in explanatory design, the mixed method researcher begins with qualitative data. Here the qualitative data will be collected, then quantitative data. So exploratory research design, the researcher will collect the qualitative data first. Here the main focus is on qualitative data, not on quantitative data. The main purpose of an explanatory sequential mixed method design involves the procedure of first gathering qualitative data to explore a phenomenon, and then collecting quantitative data to explain relationship found in the qualitative data. The main purpose is to collect the qualitative data first, and then quantitative data. The mixed method researcher emphasis here, the major emphasis is on qualitative data, not on quantitative data. But in explanatory design, the main emphasis is on quantitative data. The mixed method researcher has a sequence to data collection that involves first collecting qualitative data. Here the sequence is that first collecting qualitative data, and the data will be followed by quantitative data. The mixed method researcher plans on the quantitative data to view on or explain the initial qualitative findings. Now see the diagrams. Here the qualitative data collection and analysis is first, then it evolves to quantitative data collection and analysis. After that, interpretation will made. Okay friends, this is all about the three types of mixed method research design. I hope you will be clear. Friends, if this is good for you, then please like and subscribe this channel for getting more updates, and do share, because sharing is caring. Thank you.